Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have something really special for you. We are going to crochet beautiful angel wings that you can use in so many different ways. Whether you want to use them as Christmas tree ornaments, gift decks, window decorations, or even for your amigurumi, these wings are the perfect addition. And the best part is, these angel wings are really easy to make. I'll walk you through it step by step, and even if you've only started crocheting, you'll be able to follow along easily. Depending on what yarn you use, the wings can look completely different. These ones I've stiffened so they are nice and firm. These ones are made with really thick yarn. Then I sewed two wings together and stuffed them with cotton. This gives them a beautiful 3D effect. So grab your crochet hook and some yarn and let's get started. I'm starting with 10 chains. I'm using a size 7 crochet hook, European size. You can find the exact yarn hook size and a link to the written pattern in the video description. Round 1. Skip the first chain, make 8 single crochets. Then 5 single crochets in the next stitch. Continue on the other side of the chain. Work 6 single crochets. Let the last 2 stitches unworked. Chain 1 and turn. Round 2. Skip the chain 1, make 7 single crochets. Then work 3 times, 2 single crochets in the next stitch, make 3 single crochets, then 1 time, 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Work 5 single crochets, chain 3, round 3, skip 1 chain, work 23 single crochets, let the last 2 stitches unworked, chain 1 and turn, round 4, skip the chain 1, make 5 single crochets, then work 3 times, 2 single crochets in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Make 3 single crochets. Then one time, 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Work 8 single crochets. Chain 3. Round 5. It's our last round. Skip 1 chain. Make 18 single crochets. Slip stitch to join. Cut the yarn and weave in the ends. To make the second angel wing, simply repeat the pattern. You can also stiffen the wings. I used fabric stiffener for mine, but you can also use spray starch if you have it at home. In a pinch, regular hairspray will work too. Of course, there are many other ways to stiffen your angel wings. If you come up with anything else, feel free to share it in the comments. Other viewers will surely appreciate your ideas. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel so you don't miss any more creative tutorials. Happy crocheting and see you next time. All the best. Yours, Andrea.